Okay, I got another video for you guys. I had another customer, YouTube subscriber, that asked me, after they cleaned the throttle body, that the idle was high after cleaning the throttle. So I'm gonna explain to you exactly how you go about fixing that high idle that you'll get after cleaning the throttle body or things like that. Because with the way these computers work in these cars is, when your throttle body's dirty, the throttle valve doesn't open up all the way, so it causes not enough air to flow through. So when you clean it, it's picking up a different amount of air that's flowing through the throttle after you clean the throttle body. So what you have to do is you have to reset the throttle body, well, the TPS. You have to reset it. And then after that, after you reset it, then you do the idle relearn procedure to get your idle back to where it should be, like around like 750, 800. So basically, I'm just making this for a subscriber because he contacted me yesterday about it, and I haven't been able to make videos like that. I've been really busy with other things, but you can do this with like a regular $200 scanner. I'm pretty sure you can, or you could just take it to a shop and just tell them to reset the TPS and possibly give the mechanic like $20 or whatever it is. I have done this on other cars. I have done the throttle body cleaning on the Civic, and the Civic idle was like really high after cleaning the throttle body. So what I did was I reset the TPS. So what I did was this. I went to the TPS check, and it says Honda software will confirm the throttle position value is the proper limit. Do you wish to continue? So what it'll do is check the throttle to make sure that it's within specs, the way that it should be, you know. And the TPS learning value have been cleared. Clean the throttle body for service manual if problems occur. So now if the idle is high on my car when I started, it's because, you know, I just reset the throttle. Then you just usually reset it when you clean the throttle. See, it says you clean the throttle and refer to service manual. If not, problems may occur. So please do the idle relearn procedure when the engine speed is unstable. So that means if the engine speed is like unstable, if I start the car and it like stays like up to 2,500, or, you know, it bogs forward and different things like that, that means I have to reset it. Well, do the idle relearn procedure, which I'm going to add a link in the description. I'm going to add a link in the description. I'm going to add a link up top of the video for the video to do the idle relearn procedure. So now I'm going to start the car. I never really have that issue with mine. Other customers have had it with theirs, but I've never had that issue with mine where I really had to go and, you know, change up the go and reset the idle and all that and that. But what it does is that it regulates it now that the throttle's clean. Now that the throttle's clean or whatever, it, you know, regulates the amount of air and fuel that's going into it, so the car runs better, you know. So that's why I do it. Some people say, you know what I'm saying, unplug the battery. I don't think that unplugging the battery will fix the problem. I doubt it, because that's just resetting the car's ECU. This is the TPS. This is for the throttle positioning. So basically what this will be resetting is the throttle position. So the computer will relearn itself after the throttle's being cleaned. After it's cleaned, it'll relearn itself, and the throttle and the idle will drop once the car warms up to a good temperature. Then the idle will drop after a little while. Right now it idles a little high over the 1, but the 1 is good. That's where it should be. And then it'll drop as it warms up. See, it's going below the 1, and then it'll just warm up. I've never had any issues with that. Like I'm saying, I just made this video for a customer, well, not a customer, but a YouTube subscriber, I'm sorry, that he contacted me about it because he cleaned his throttle body and he cleaned the the mass airflow sensor, and his car's been, like, you know, bugging out. But it's as simple as, you know, finding somewhere that has a simple scanner, a good scanner, decent scanner, or you can just purchase one yourself. I have a couple in my Amazon store, and the link in the description in the bottom if you're interested in any scanners. You basically just do the TP position check. It does that, and then it just resets the throttle position, and then once it resets the throttle position, you're good to go. But if the idle's still high, like I said before, you just, you know, do the idle relearn procedure where, you know, you hold the idle to 3,000 to the 3,000 mark, and then, you know, you let the fan come on and then let go when the fan come, you know, I have a video showing exactly what to do, so that'll help out. But like I said, I just wanted to make this video for a customer. If you guys have any videos that you guys are looking for, just write me a message, drop a comment in the bottom, and let me know that you guys are looking for certain videos, and I'll, you know, make time and try to make the videos for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.